An educational video by Patanjali Rishikul Prayagraj for class 4, subject EVS to Science, topic recapitulation of the chapter The Sun and the Solar System. Hello children, today in EVS 2 we will be doing recapitulation of the chapter The Sun and the Solar System. So let us first see some important points of the topic stars.
We can see billions of stars in the night sky. When seen from the earth, several groups of stars appear to form patterns. These groups of stars are called constellations. A galaxy is a system of millions of stars together with gases and dust held together by gravitational attraction. The Sun and the solar system are a part of the Milky Way galaxy. The color of a star depends on the temperature of the surface of the star. Blue stars are the hottest stars. The Sun is a yellow dwarf star and believed to be about 4 billion years old. The core of the Sun is extremely hot and made up of gases. The Sun produces huge explosions of energy known as solar flares. The solar system is made up of the central star, the Sun, and 8 main planets that circle it, and their satellites as well as pieces of dust and rock. The 4 planets closest to the Sun, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, are known as the rocky planets or terrestrial planets as they are composed mainly of rocks. The 4 outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, are composed mainly of gases and are much larger, and hence they are also known as the gas giants. Mercury is the planet closest to the Sun. It is very hot and no life can survive on it. Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun. Venus, the brightest planet, is also very hot and there is no life on it. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Life exists only on Earth. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun. It is known as the red planet as it is reddish in color. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It has 4 sets of rings. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun. It also has rings around it. Uranus, the 7th planet from the Sun, is a huge icy planet covered with clouds. It is encircled by a belt of 11 known rings and many moons. The 8th planet, Neptune, looks blue in color. Pluto is now considered a dwarf planet and is the farthest from the Sun. It is only about 2/3 the size of the Earth's moon. The Earth obtains solar energy in the form of heat and light from the Sun. The Earth can be divided into the following spheres: the biosphere, which includes all forms of life, both on land, in air and in water; the hydrosphere, which includes the surface water on Earth; the lithosphere, that consists of the solid outer layers of the Earth; the atmosphere, which is the layer of gases around the Earth; The earth is divided into two halves known as hemispheres. The equator is an imaginary line that divides the earth into the northern hemispheres and the southern hemisphere. The earth goes around the sun, completing one revolution in 365.25 days. As the earth orbits around the sun, it also spins on its own axis. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. The rotation of the earth on its axis causes day and night. The earth's revolution around the sun causes the different seasons. The moon appeared to change its shape, as we can see only that portion of the moon which is lit up by the sun. The phase in which the moon's size increases is called waxing phase. The phase in which the moon's size decreases is called waning phase. The surface of the moon is made up of plains, mountains, valleys, and big hollows called craters. Artificial or man-made satellites also orbit the earth. These have four main uses: communication, monitoring the weather, observing the earth, and exploring the solar system. Eclipse. Sometimes when the moon comes between the earth and the sun along one straight line, it begins to block out some of the sun's light, casting a shadow on the earth. This is known as a solar eclipse. When the earth comes between the moon and the sun, also along a straight line, the earth's shadow blocks off the moon and a lunar eclipse occurs. I hope children, you all have understood. Thank you.